Sana, I'm in my 4th year and I study a double degree of law and psychology. I'm on a mission today to hear from students about their first year experiences here at UNSW. Let's go.
I remember being very overwhelmed. I remember being lost.
I remember a lot of late nights, trying to make new friends, trying to cook. I remember turning the fire alarm off because I burned food.
Came down on a plane from Queensland, had 3 bags, didn't have any idea sort of what I was getting myself into. I didn't know anyone either. I knew about the course I was going into, but I probably should have known a bit more about it, jumping into it as well. But in saying all that, it was a lot of fun and learnt a lot as well.
I used to run a little late in terms of census date, or even something as simple as when you have to pay your fees and things like that. I think in those adulting sections I could have done a little bit better.
I think a few regrets that I do have sort of surround my involvement with university life.
It's definitely not applying for enough societies. I only applied for around 2, and at the start of first year, I didn't really know about societies, so I was really unsure of what I was going to apply for.
Just get involved. Getting involved with things, it makes the whole experience a lot more comfortable, and that's like getting involved with clubs, societies, people that are studying the same courses as you and in the same faculties as you. It just makes the whole experience a lot more comfortable.
Go for anything that you want to go for, anything that interests you, because even if you think you don't make it, there is still that slight chance that you do, and if you do, it's really going to uplift your uni experience like it has for me.
Try not to do everything all at once. You've got plenty of time at UNSW, there are plenty of opportunities for you. You don't need to rush in and try and overwhelm yourself with things to do. Just take it slow and do the things that interest you most. And I would also say to check Moodle before week 1, because otherwise you'll be behind like I was.
Well, there you have it. Student life is yours for the taking. Ask lots of questions, get involved, and make a whole lot of friends.